Hi, I'm Louise and I'm joined by Maria to talk all things residential life. Hiya,
Hello.
how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm really good. How are you?
Good, I'm doing well. So, what does the residential life team do?
We're here to help new students settle into their accommodation, and we offer advice and support so they can get the best out of their time in university-owned accommodation.
And what sort of events do you put on?
Such a broad range. A couple of weeks ago we had therapy dogs here and we had like 52 students who were just having the best time, because one of the things a lot of students miss when they come to university is their pets. So once a term we try to put on a therapy dog session. We do pop-ups. We're about to do an Eid celebration with lots of sweets and things like that. We've done games nights with pizzas and pyjamas. We'll run events from arrivals weekend, and we'll be doing our flat chats during welcome week, and we run the events throughout the whole year.
Oh, that's very lovely to hear. And how can I contact you?
Through studentservices at chester.ac.uk.
Oh, thank you so much for your time, Maria.
Oh, it's my pleasure.